When you put frankincense oil on you or in you, 1,200 genes are impacted. And they're going to do great things like reduce inflammation and help your brain work better. But when you take a frankincense capsule, which is frankincense oil and frankincense boswellic acid concentrates, 12,000 genes in your body are going to respond. They're going to do things like support brain growth and memory and emotional regulation. Your long-term ability to use your brain is influenced when you do this. Inflammatory systems are both upregulated and downregulated. That means that the good inflammation is activated and the bad inflammation is turned off. Your liver is going to work better. You're going to see reductions in liver enzymes, and your kidney markers are going to improve as well. Your longevity and stress genes are also going to respond. And here's a great example. Your DNA repair pathways are going to be initiated. We know that when we go on seasons of fasting, whether it's 12 hours or up to 72 hours, our cancer risk decreases. And those same genes are affected when you take frankincense capsules. You can take 1 or 2 every single day. It's going to send messages to your body to live longer, healthier.